and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe. If you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So today we are doing this Valentine's-y look in the new Beautybay, the new romantic palette. It's their new like Valentine collection launch, and yeah, I was so excited to pick this up. I also tested out a few of their new lip products as well. So we've got one of the matte lipsticks in the shade Freckle and the lip gloss in the shade Ballet. If you want to hear more about it, see how I created this look and listen to my thoughts, then please stay tuned. I am absolutely living for these palettes. Beautybay are literally becoming one of my favourite beauty brands, and they also followed me on Instagram the other day. Hopefully they see this. But yeah, literally, you know my feelings on Beautybay products. I've raved enough about them. I've posted loads of reviews of their palettes and things like that. I absolutely love the Book of Magic palette. This is their most recent launch before this one. And I didn't actually realise that Book of Magic was limited edition. I knew it was for their Christmas release, but surely everyone loved it so much that I didn't realise that they'd actually take it away. Look at these two side by side. I mean, come on, they look absolutely beautiful. So it says Beautybay New Romantic. It's time to get intimate with the By Beautybay New Romantic palette. Inside you'll find 20 shades in all the warm, berry and blossom tones you could possibly need. Each silky soft shadow buffs and blends seamlessly onto the lid, whilst our iconic matte and shimmer formulas have intense colour payoff and last all day long. You're about to fall in love with your latest obsession, and I don't disagree. But can we just first of all talk about this packaging, because I love this packaging. I always feel like Beautybay are quite artistic with their packaging. This is the outer case and it just looks absolutely beautiful. It's a really nice soft matte touch as well. Kind of wish the palette inside was this print, but it's a soft pink palette, but the text that says New Romantic is the same pattern as the outer carton. But yeah, I absolutely love the design of this. I don't think I'm going to throw this box away, but yeah, this box, I just love it so much. And then inside you can see you've got all the shades there. You've got a lot of neutrals, warm tones, berry shades like it says. I just love the fact that it's got a black and it's also got a pale like nudie shade, so then it's easy to either lighten or darken your look. And I feel like this palette, even though there's only 20 shades, it's very versatile. So yeah, you've got that khaki, and I just want to do like a warm tone. You've got like a coppery shimmer shade here as well, which looks absolutely delicious. And I find that with Beautybay products, they always have a good balance of shimmers to matte. You know what else I found as well, and what this palette is sort of giving me the same sort of vibes. Like, I don't think it's quite possibly a dupe. I think there are a lot of similar tones, and I'm feeling like it's very comparable to the Norvina Volume 4, I think it is. I don't know, I just feel like there's a few similar shades in here, and it's the same sort of vibe. Like, you've got a lot of your pinks and berries, and then you've got your neutral shades as well, which is similar, but I feel like the Beautybay one's a lot more deeper than the Norvina one. I don't know if anyone else thinks that, but I definitely feel like it gives me Norvina vibes, but literally for the fraction of the price. And that's one thing that I do like about Beautybay. They're releasing so many amazing products at such a fraction of the price. Like this bad boy, it's only £15. They have it on sale, like their products, quite a lot for like half price or 50% off and things like that, reducing it to like £10 or £7, and I just think it's amazing. Like, loads of people got the Book of Magic palette to £7.50 for ages. So yeah, definitely do recommend Beautybay products. So I'm excited to get around with this a lot more, but we are going to go get into this eye look as well. I will pop a few swatches on screen now so you can sort of see what we're playing with. Yeah, I do hope you enjoy this, and we'll go through to the talk over. Oh, by the way, let me know if you like the way that I'm editing my videos now. I have switched it up a bit. I'm just trying to make them look a little bit more professional. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. But yeah, do let me know your thoughts on that, and I'll continue to do it. Off to this look. I hope you enjoy and stay tuned. So first I'm just going to take the P. Louise base, and then I'm just going to put that on my eyelids and then just blend it out with my Spectrum brush. And then just look at this palette, is so beautiful. I'm just going to go in with the shade Claret, and I'm just going to take that on my Morphe brush and just pack that on and create the shape that I want. But look how pigmented it is, it's so pigmented. And then I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend that out so then there's no harsh edges with no extra product on the brush. This just makes it easier for when we then put on our next shade. And then I'm going to go in with Flamingo and then I'm just going to help blend that out a little bit more and also put that on the inner part of my eye and just blend it up to my brow a little bit. And then we're going in with Saddle and I'm just going to darken that up, and as you can tell I was shocked because this shadow was so pigmented and it was so dark. I was worried I was going to ruin it, but it actually blended in okay, but it just required a little bit more work. So I just used a smaller blending brush and then I just went over the top with those other colours, so Claret and then Flamingo, and just to blend it out a little bit more. And then I'm going to take vanilla and mix it with a bit of Birthday, just on a larger fluffy brush, and I'm just going to help blend out the edges so it looks more seamless. And then we're going in with Royal, which is a beautiful shimmer shade, and I'm just going to apply that onto the lid with my finger and just pat it all in. How beautiful. And then we're going to also go in with Chintz, which is sort of like a duochrome shade, and again I'm going to pop that on with my finger, and as you can see that Royal shade actually got a bit of fallout, and then we're just going to go back in with those matte shades and just re-intensify those colours. Then we're going to go in with Oyster and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner and underneath my brow bone. And then we're going in with the black shade called Ink, and I'm just going to really intensify that outer edge and just apply it a bit like a liner along my lash line, ready for when we put on our lashes. I don't know if you know, but I'm actually crap at transitions, which is why I rarely make TikToks. But now what goes up must come down, and again using those same matte shades just along the lower lash line. And I also use a bit of the P. Louise paint as well called Raver in my actual waterline, just that extra pop of pink. Now just apply my favourite iconic London Lashes mascara, and then using a bit of Flamingo as a blush, and this was like the perfect pinky blush shade. It blended beautifully. And then we may as well use a highlighter as well, so I use Oyster as my highlighter, and again it was absolutely beautiful. And now lips, so I'm going in with the new matte lipstick in the shade Freckle. Look how beautiful that nude is. So I've just applied that along with my Morphe Sweetheart coloured pencil, and then I'm going to top that with my new gloss in the shade Ballet, and I was just sniffing it because it smelled so good. But just look at that colour payoff. It was so creamy and nude and just delicious. and that is the finished look. So let me know down below what you think. I actually really love this look. It screams Valentines to me, or Galentines, whatever you want to call it, because it's just that pretty pink sparkly moment. I think that the eyeshadow performed very well. It's a really nice formula. It's the same sort of formula as Book of Magic and Sunset Horizons, which I absolutely love those palettes, so I know that this is going to be a good one to go alongside it. The tones in this are really, really beautiful. Shimmer shadows, they're really nice. They're similar quality as before. We know Beautybay formula now. We love Beautybay formula, and yeah, it's just another lovely palette from them. And then I also tested out the matte lipstick and the lip gloss. So the lipstick I got is in Freckle. I love that. It's a really, really nice beigey nude, which is a nude that I've been searching for, so I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I just hope it's not drying, because obviously I've not worn it out yet, so I'm going to keep testing this. I'll let you know, so keep an eye on my Instagram. And also the gloss, I am in love with this gloss. The formula feels so lightweight. It doesn't actually feel like I've got anything on my lip. It's not sticky, it's not gloopy, it's just perfect, and it's a perfect shade, especially with this freckle lipstick as well. So I'm so glad I picked this up. And yeah, that's the end of my new Beautybay items review. Let me know what you think, and I think I'm gonna have to get some more of these lipstick and lip glosses, because I'm literally loving the way that they're wearing on my lips right now. So hopefully they're long lasting. I'm gonna test them out a little bit more, and if I do like them, then I'm gonna pick them up in a few more shades, because they're so affordable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out, and hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.